everyone, it's Jambor's new video and just a little intro before I start showing you like the actual hands-on work with one light setup. I was using Godox AD300Pro 2. Amazing tool. I'm really thinking of buying second, maybe even third one in the future because I'm extremely happy how it works, but this is not a review, so just few tips. Buy this holder, much better. Buy second battery. It's a safety measure. Trust me, this guy sucks a lot of energy if you use modeling light, which I'm using a lot. But let's move on. What's gonna happen, what you can see. 4 models, each of the model had 4 to 2 type of clothes. I was choosing different kind of backgrounds, backdrops, and also approach with the light so you can feel how I'm using it, what's inspiring, how it works in the distance. I'm not going into crazy detail. It's more about how you look at the scenes. You can pause it anytime, and throughout all the photo shootings, and there are 4, you can see few tips inspiring, because I try to like really give you the thing what is more important than how many lights. If you have one light, if you have no light, what is more important than that? And this is actually your approach. Throughout it you will understand, see it, and I hope also enjoy. All of this was shot on Lumix cameras. Those black and white shots were shot on L10. Love the camera for such creative usage, also how handy and lightweight it is. So for like random work, let's say funny kind of a stuff, amazing. For the professional work, I was using S1R2 for all the photographies and the slow motion, and that's the first actual initial clip shot on it. And also, and this and the rest of the videos shot on S5 2X, and sometimes I'm using those DJI microphones, and that's it. Enjoy. This is Carla, my first model.
Hi. Hi. Hello.
And with her we will test many different setups of this light. It's AD300 version 2 Pro from Godox. And I have one more modifier. We will do things, you will see it, and I hope you will enjoy this session and also the photography. So let's do this.
Yes, let's do this.
For me. Don't be worried, because I want to... Not bad, right? Don't be that close now, and go a little bit like here. This area, like. So we can play now with the jacket a little bit more. You can have it like the way that you have it like on you, but it can be like down the shoulders. And play with it, be very like... I'm curious to see also a little bit of the light, because the light comes from here, not to cover yourself, so the opposite way. And you can use also one hand like that, how you had it with the jacket. That was good. And the other hand in the pocket. Basically, whenever the hair is falling here, this will create a shadow on the whole face. So if you will keep your...
In the...
If it's okay for you, it also actually looks very cool. I will try to shoot you from this, through this. Yeah, actually, when you lean like this, also mind, that was cool, you know, when you did this. Just mind that to have face in the light. It's more about the face. Yes? See, this is what it does when you cover your face. It does the shade everywhere. Super. Actually, you know what? You can sit on the floor. Yeah. Eyes on me. Exactly. How did you feel?
Nice. Very nice. Was fantastic.
It was fantastic. Next model to come very, very soon. So Damiana is here. Say hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Hi, I'm fine. I'm happy to be here.
I cannot wait to photo shoot with you. We will do something with this softbox and maybe we'll also change it, but we have like 2 other dresses, 2 other costumes, and I'm curious how it will turn out. So let's do this.
Let's do this. Let's start.
Let's do this. When I will tell you look in it, don't worry to look in it, and then we will be changing positions. Few tips. Always change me, not just hands and posture with the hands, but also the legs. Otherwise it feels like the same position. So it's all, be playful with this chair. You can also turn it. You can play with the jeans. You can even do like things like this. You know, on it. Like things, play with it. The chair is your playground. You can turn it and we can make it. You ready? And I think you can smile a little bit with your eyes. I always telling my clients, this is something what is very tricky. Always after you saying this, say if it was okay. But I'm telling my clients, all of them, especially women, I need you to see that you have a sex with the camera, you're seducing it. Okay. Because this is the another layer. I can do always good pictures, but what makes the good picture special is what I feel from you. Okay. And this is here. So you need to seduce it. Or have fun with it. Okay. Some emotion towards the camera, yes? Me. Test. I like it, make it natural. I think imperfection at some point, I call it imperfection, but when it's more natural, playful, it's better. We are not doing Vogue. But I actually think, if you're like this and play with this, just be careful. Like I'm heavy for this, but you're not. Super. Now look into the camera.
Say something funny.
2 hours, 3 hours, because I changed the times. And I was starting making fun that in Czechia 17 hours before the meeting it's polite, you know. See, it works. Okay, I'm not that funny guy, you know. When I'm not like this, like say something funny, I'm not a comedian. Like I'm a comedian differently. It's like, it is what it is. Okay. Look at me. Believe me what I just heard, the legs are fat. Oh my god. Photographers are not having an easy job. Last backdrop with Damiana, the pink one, the blue dress, and some fun. So have fun too. And I need to find when I put the camera. Look into the dish. So you can be more cheerful, playful. Don't come underneath it so much. Be a little bit here, exactly. Bine. 3, 2, 1, hi.
This is also very
nice.
Oh, I love it.
This is cool.
I love them.
We made it. Let's call it a wrap. Oh my god, now she will gata. I see you there, Sonia.
Oh yeah.
That's good. That's good. We have another photo shooting. Sonia is hiding, but this is the second photo shooting of today. Different dresses, different attitude, different backdrops, everything different about it. What didn't change as a photographer, even though you never know during. So let's do this.
Okay, yeah, now we're good.
You can even play with the sweet pants and pull them, you know. Yeah. Yeah. It's so easy with you. I don't need to instruct you too much, you know. Try to give a little bit more smile into it, but this kind of a smile of like something terrible will happen, you know. We start this. So give me like, I will try to shoot faster because you know how to pose, so you're delivering constantly something. So I will shoot until I will see something what I would like to do differently or the same. I will tell you yes. Now you're cute. You can play cute, but also show me those earrings. Oh yes. Wow. Go a little further. And you said using the light, yes? Yes. Imagine that there is some nice guy, you know, funny. I really feel like I'm shooting advertisement now.
Oh yeah.
You can play me with the hair, or let's do first with the hair a little bit. I will do like shoot like this, and you can play with the face. You can be like. You can support the chin both.
I was like in my own world.
It's okay, I understand. Not might. This is actually a big advantage of this light because I can really play with it however I want. Only what it's recording already.
What? How? Give me the secrets.
Give me the cigarettes? No, she's not 18. Guys, when you have lights and so on, you don't know how to use them, just use them somehow. Just experiment.
What's going on, y'all?
Like, never answer those questions. Yeah. I love it. To create more direct. So easy. Go closer. And you need to own it a little bit with the face, so give me this. Yeah? Yeah, But you're brilliant. Now pull it as much as you can towards me. Like higher. Like this. Are we there? So we just finished.
Amazing. Yeah.
It was amazing, right?
Yeah, so Jean is amazing. Made me really comfy, had great jokes, gave me water, asked me for a sparkling one also, but I was like, no.
Woo!
Yeah, but it was amazing. It was amazing.
I forgot that I did this and I actually asked only once and then I was like,
Yeah.
So I understand some feedback is delivered. Maybe some other will be after the photos. You write me in the comments below how do you like the photos and let's move on to the other day, shall we? Alright guys, the last photo shooting of this video, and this will be a Rockstar and her assistant who's kicking everything constantly, although this camera. Felicia, come in here. So everybody feel that we don't have ghosts. This is Felicia, she will be helping me today. And also Alexandra Capitanescu, which is a rock star of Romania. And my Fratelina, I'm very proud she came in here and we will photo shoot in this outfit. This is a casual,
This is how I dress. Yeah.
how she normally dress, and then we will do a little choke me. Let's do this. Some rep. it's a wrap. We just did last shot. And guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, that you enjoyed Alexandra or other models which are in this video. And I hope Alexandra also enjoyed.
Yeah, of course. Thank you.
Okay, so that's the wrap. That was all for ladies. Lots of photos. You can find much more on my Instagram if you're following. Buy me a coffee if you like the presets. If you liked actually the video and if you want to buy the presets, they are on the Buy Me a Coffee. You can also become a member, so you can get some sales. And if you want to enjoy workshops with me, that means I will take you on the streets of Bucharest, Prague, or any other city in Europe to walk you through 3-4 hours walk and meeting strangers on the street and create like short photo shooting for them. I will teach you how to communicate, how to make things happen. Then you can also contact me. I'm free to do. If you watch it until here, you're probably a subscriber, and if not, hit the subscribe button and see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.